In today's video, I'm going to teach you press tab, most common. This quick technique is the simplest way to move between object mode and edit mode in Blender. And once you get it down, modeling and making changes will feel much faster and more natural. First, make sure you have the object you want to work on selected. You'll know an object is selected when it's highlighted in the viewport, typically with an outline. If you're planning to edit its geometry, choose an editable object like a mesh, a curve, or text. The idea is simple. You want Blender to know exactly which object you're about to edit. If multiple objects are visible, look for the one with the brighter outline. That's the active object, and it's the one that will go into edit mode. With your object selected, press the Tab key. That's it. Tab is the most common and fastest shortcut to switch between object mode and edit mode. In object mode, you move, rotate, scale, duplicate, or manage entire objects. The moment you press Tab, you enter edit mode, where you can work directly with the object's components, like vertices, edges, and faces for meshes, or control points for curves. You'll see the viewport update to show edit-specific overlays such as vertices and edges, and your toolbar will offer tools tailored for editing. Press Tab again anytime to toggle back to object mode. Think of it as a light switch. Object mode for managing the whole object, edit mode for reshaping what's inside. If Tab doesn't seem to do anything, make sure your mouse is over the 3D viewport and that you're not currently typing into a text field or a search box. Tapping ESC can help you exit out of an active input. Also note that some object types like lights or cameras don't have an edit mode, so Tab won't switch modes for those. If you have more than one object selected, Blender will enter edit mode for the active one only. The others will remain visible, usually with a dimmer outline, which helps you edit in context without changing them accidentally. This is useful when you want to reference nearby objects while refining geometry. To recap the habit, select your object, press Tab to edit, press Tab again to return. Practice this a few times and it will become second nature, letting you focus less on menus and more on your creative work.